It begins with a spark, an idea with the power to improve people's lives. Your vision starts to take shape and purpose. You see the possibilities and imagine your product out in the world, doing great things, making an impact. You take the lead, thinking about how to design, build, and deliver it the smartest way possible. Today, how you make a product is just as important as the product itself. So you ask the critical questions. How do you build with agility and efficiency and get to market faster? How do you manage logistics and supply when the world can shift overnight? How do you ensure flawless product quality so you're proud to put your brand on it? In a fast-moving, high-stakes world, these challenges aren't easily answered alone. So, you look for a trusted technology partner who can answer the tough questions. A proactive partner with the expertise to design, build, test, and deliver, turning your vision into a market-ready product. A partner like Jabil. At Jabil, we build some of the world's most complex products using a very simple philosophy. Don't just make things, make them better. Products that scale the promise of AI, connect continents, and power the world. That protect soldiers, make cars safer, and advance medicine. That improve shopping experiences, transform warehouse operations, and add convenience to our daily lives. Jabil-made products go above and beyond, crafted by people who do the same. Together with our customers, we're driving what's next, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and building products that can make an impact for all of us.